Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to your next session of beautiful topic upon our Polyset examination, that is nothing but statistics. Friends, I hope that you are practicing well, you are doing very well. I am very happy you are giving good comments and everything is, I am very happy. In this boosting I am going to explain today's statistics. This is the last topic about it, and very important point I am going to say to you today evening by 3:30, the final touch of all chapters. I am going to make a video for you in about 14 chapters, as well as very important point, how to write the exam, means examination tips I want to tell you with OMR sheet also in that video. You should wait for that video, and after this video you have to wait for that. I will tell you, it can be helpful for you. I trust it, you assure it. Now let us come to the topic. What is statistics? Simple amount. Statistics is one Greek term. It can be derived from one Latin word, one Greek term, statista, status. Italian term, statista, Latin term, status. From these two terms, the meaning of statistics is nothing but kingdom. It is a status of kingdom. How to rule the kingdom, how to maintain the kingdom, treasury, the people, the list, all the information they have to maintain in that golden age. That is called state of the kingdom, is called, simply we can say that statistics is a Greek word. It can be derived into two subwords, statista, status. Statista, and the meaning is nothing but kingdom. This topic was introduced in mathematics. Sir Ronald A. Fisher is the father of statistics. Now Sir Rene Descartes is the father of coordinate geometry. Sir George Cantor is the father of sets. Right? This is all the things you have to keep in your mind now. Okay? Na? Next. In this, what are the focus point which is related to the particular Polyset exam? That point I have written on the board. Mean and its method. Mean is what? Actually we have a data, raw data, group data, primary data, second data, range, frequency. These are all the difference. Already something you know very well. So that is the reason I don't touch that one. But in the central tendency values, we are having three central tendency values are there. One is mean. Median, second one is median, third one is mode. Mean, median, mode. What is mean? Its methods. How to find its methods? In this raw data, group data, and group data will be there. Three types of methods are there, including direct, including raw method. Total 4 types of formulas are there about mean. What are they? I will tell you. And median also having 2 type of formulas. Mode is also having 2 type, and that means we have to find the median in 2 ways, mode also 2 ways. And finally, what is the relationship between the mean, median and mode? I have to tell them. Then I should go with previous examination solution with the tricks. Friends, what is mean? Simple amount. What is arithmetic mean? The sum of observations are divided by that many number of observations. Means sigma x by n. The sum of observations are divided by number of observations. Summation x or sigma x by n. This is called raw data. Given in the exam, we are using this formula to find out it. That example also I will tell you, don't worry. And ungrouped data, we have to find when the frequency is given, mid-values is given, we have to use to find the median, mean. That time we can use this formula x bar. That means arithmetic mean denoted by a dot m or x bar. X bar equals sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Here fi is nothing but frequency, x is nothing but mid-values. So that is the reason I am framing one question for you, Nana. Mid-values are used in dash. Arithmetic mean, median, mode, none. Answer? Yes. Arithmetic mean. You got it, one answer you got it now. Yes. Next. Group data can be, we have to find the group data in 3 ways. Direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation as well as shortcut method. Direct method. That means this is also called as direct method. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Direct method. When the frequency mid-values are given, we should find like this. When the class intervals, particular classes are given, we should use 2 cases. Deviation method as well as step deviation method. Deviation method, a plus sigma fi divided by sigma fi. Here a is what? Assumed mean method. Assumed mid value. Assumed mid value. Here di is nothing but deviation, nothing but xi minus a. Sometimes they are asking values also in the formula. What is D? Means xi minus a is the correct option. Now, step deviation as well as shortcut method. A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into C or H. Here fi means frequencies, ui means xi minus a by C or H. Now C means class interval, or H means size of the class, width of the class, class interval. These three names are same. H means height of the class, size of the class, width of the class. Sometimes they are using C also. So that is the abbreviation of this formula. Assumed mean, assumed mid value, frequencies, ui equals xi minus a by C. Now H means height of the class, size of the class. Next followed by, friends, one more question I am giving to you. In arithmetic mean formula, a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into H, what is the value of ui? Which of the following is correct? Ui equals xi minus a by C. Di equals, D means xi minus a. Okay. Next, what is median? Median is simply we can say that in a data the observations can be arranged in ascending order or descending order. Then the middlemost value is called median. We have to find the median in two shortcut ways are there in the competitive style. I will tell you. Now after this I will tell you. So if n is even, then the median is even, then n is odd. Sometimes the observation will be odd, sometimes observation will be even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 even, like that given in the exam. Add is there, n plus 1 by 2 term is the median, direct answer. If suppose if n is even, the average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th terms is called median. Odd means n plus 1 by 2 term is the median. Even means n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th terms is average by 2. Then it is called median. Clear? Okay. By seeing example you can understand clear. Now, sometimes in the exam they are asking if in a median, if the observations are even, how to find the median? Which of the following is correct? Simple. Average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th term. Average of, remember. Now, how to find the median? By using grouped data. Here median grouped data will be there, no? L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into C. Sometimes formulas also they are asking which of the following is grouped data for median. Means this formula. Mode, this formula. Assumed mean, this formula. Step deviation mean, this one. Assumed mean, step deviation mean. Median, mode. Like that they are asking. So that is the reason these four formulas keep in your mind compulsory. Here sometimes they are giving minus. It is not a formula. They have to give here plus. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into. In this, what is Cf they are asking in the question? Cf means cumulative frequency. Children, remember, sometimes they are asking not in 2 years I saw this paper. In this median, what is the value of Cf? Which of the following is? Assumed mean, cumulative frequency, none, cumulative frequency. And one more interesting question. Cumulative frequencies are used in dash, mean, median, mode, none. Cumulative frequency where? Median. Mid value is where? Mean. Remember, Nana. Next, this is the lower boundary of the median class. This is the sum of frequencies of median class, cumulative frequency, height of the class, frequency of modal class. Now mode, simple amma. Mode is nothing but in a data which is most occurring term, most frequently term, that is called mode of a data. In that mode, we are seeing only we have to put the answer. We are seeing only put the answer in the raw data. But what about group data? We are using this formula. A mode is equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L means lower boundary of modal class. F1 is frequency of the, for example, this is the frequency for suppose. So this is F1. F1 is the modal class. F0 is the preceding of modal class. F2 is the succeeding of modal class. Preceding F0, succeeding F2. We can substitute in this, we should get the answer. H is, as you know, you will. H is already here there, that is here there. Nothing but size of the class, width of the class. Okay, Nama. Now this is the mode. Each and every formula I am explaining with abbreviation, state of each letter, because they are asking the exam also. Now the relationship between the arithmetic mean, median and mode, the beautiful formula will be mode is equals 3 into median minus 2 into A dot M. How to identify this formula easily, sir? This is 3. 3 can be straight forward, it will becomes to M. 3 ని ఇలా రాయండి m అవుతుంది 3m ఇది మీడియన్ అయిపోయినాక నెక్స్ట్ ఏమో 2 లెటర్స్ 2 పక్కన 2 లెటర్స్ a డాట్ m 3 median minus 2 a dot m that is equals to z is nothing but mode very important formula we can do this formula in the application area. Let us see children. And one more important is what is range. Yes, the difference between the maximum value and minimum value is called range of a data. Maximum value and minimum value, its difference is called range of the data. Okay na? These are all the formulas we are using in that. Sometimes they are asking some content based question. What is the class interval? The difference between the any two succeeded classes, the difference between the any two lower boundaries, the difference between the any two upper boundaries, and the consequent boundaries, then it is called class interval. What is the mid value? The average of lower boundary and upper boundary is called mid values of the class. Okay, this is the way we are going to find the content and formulas. Now let us see previous examination question with the short tricks. 2020 like that you see some various different questions. In this, the first one, the mode of the value is sin 0, cos 0, sin 90 is tan 45. No problem. Sin 0 according to the table trick 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to root 3 by 2, 1. This is a sin value. Sin 0, 0. Sin 0, 0, sin 90, 1. Sin 90 becomes to cos 0. Cos 0 value 1 because in reverse order. 1. Sin 90, 1. Tan 45, 1. So in this, which is repeating more times? 1 only. So our answer is 1. You become number 1. Now, answer is 1. Median of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First suppose here 5 numbers are there. Only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First suppose. Children, shortcut I have to tell you in median. What is a shortcut, Nana? You arrange it in ascending order. You have to cancel from the first number, from the last first number. Like second. This is the direct answer for median. 5 numbers, odd number is given. Now even number is given for some. One more number will be there like this. First, second cancel. We are getting 2 terms. If we cancel all at a time, we are not getting any answer. 2 terms. It's average. We can do its average. 5 plus 7 by 2, 12 by 2, nothing but 6. Just sample example I explained. Now what about our question? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on 99. These are all our odd numbers. 1 to 100, 20, 50 even numbers are there. 50 odd numbers are there. In this, if we cancel like this, we have to get 49 and 51. Only 2 terms will be, we have to get it. 2 terms will be, definitely. Okay, now it's average. 49 plus 50, 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means 50. You know one idea. Even numbers are given, odd numbers are given. This is the answer. Exact half of 100, 50. Direct answer you write, no doubt at all. Okay, next. Which of the following is not a central tendency? Yes, I told you just now. 3 central tendency values are there. Arithmetic mean, median, mode. But which is different here? Range. So this is your answer. Range is not a central tendency value, right? Now, if for the terms x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 3 and x minus 2, or if x belongs to the median of the data is 12, then x. I told you median. Raw data arranged in ascending order means small number. X minus 2 is the first number, small to big. X minus 1, next x plus 1, next x plus 2, next x plus 3. You should just one step. Answer will get just one step. Now this is the median. X minus 2, x plus 2 get cancelled. X minus 1, x plus 2 get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3, minus 1 plus 2 cancel. We are getting only x plus 1. Already median is given, dear children. 12. So 12 equals to x plus 1, x equals to transfer left side 12 minus 1, that is nothing but 11. This is your answer. Clear? Very easy. Next. 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, x, 6. If the mode of this data is 3. Mode of the data is 3. In this, which is remaining? First suppose, here 3 twicely repeated, 2 twicely repeated. So we are getting bimodal. 2 modes will be there bimodal. One mode will be there unimodal. 3 modes will be there trimodal. But here bimodal or unimodal, you can think it. He said mode is 3, and in the place of x you can keep 3. 3 is mode. In the place of x you can keep 3. What is the answer? 3. So answer is 3. The next value will be 3. Mode is 3. When is mode is possible to 3? In the place of x you can keep 3. Then it is your answer is 3. For example, mode is 2, your answer will be 2. Right, Nana? Next, most repeating term is called mode. That's it. Next, and one more important point I will tell you. In a shoe company, which is the mode of shoe size, chappal size in India? 7 is the common shoe size of in India. According to our height, according to our Indian heights, 7 is the common shoe size. Okay. Next, the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. I told you first 5 prime numbers. What are they? Application question. Simple. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus not 9. 11 is the prime number. These first 5 prime numbers. Divided by how many? He said 5 only. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 28. By 5, 5 anja, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30. Answer 5.6. If you know the prime number, somebody is writing here 1. No, 2, 3, 5, 7, not 9, 11. 9 is a composite number. So sum of these 28 by 5 divided by 5, you will get 5.6 is the answer. Okay, now children? Now I should frame one more good question for you. For example, in your school, in your college, in your school, they are selecting one student as a leader. Which central tendency it fit for that? Mean, median, mode is because those who are selected make a votes. Those who are trick his name, he is a leader. So that is time we can use mode. Right now? Now let us see one more interesting questions. Median of the data 6, 10, 20, x 12, 14 is 12. Median is 12. The data in that one missing frequency x is there, that should be we have to find. Friends, if you first suppose you want to write in ascending order, that is the formula for median to find. 4, 12, 14, 20. Well, where we have to write? Where we have to write x? Here or here. We can't describe, we can't say. In such cases, better to go with that weapon. Our channel weapon is answer to question. In this, I am choosing here instead of first value 6. 6 na. I can take 6 here. Here x, in the place of x I am choosing 6. 6, 6, 10, 12, 14, 20. By technique, average of these two numbers, 22 by 2, nothing but 11. But it is not a tally for 12. It is not a option. Next option, 12. Instead of x, you can take 12. 12 is 6, 10, 12. Here x value here comes. Means again 12, 14, 20. Is equals we should get 12. First, last, second get cancelled. 12 plus 12, 24 by 2. 24 by 2, 12. It is tally for our median. It is tally for our median. So answer is 12 only. Answer is 12 only. In such cases they are giving. Okay, now it is not in ascending order. Where we have to keep x? We don't know. That time you can choose answer to question. If you take the 6 means it will come first. If you take the 12 means it will comes in here. Then sum of these two, we are getting even number. Even numbers with 2 numbers we will get. Its average is the median. 12 plus 12 by 24 by 12 is the median. It is tally for our answer. That is the option. Next, the arithmetic mean of a plus 2, a comma a minus 2. A. Direct answer A. Simple. Minus 2 get cancelled. Answer A. How? See, what is the arithmetic mean? Sum of observations by divided. What is the sum of a plus 2, a minus 2? So these three observations are I am adding. Divided by 3. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. A plus a. 3a by 3 get cancelled. Answer is A. I told you no A. Direct answer. Right? Next. The mid values of 10 to 14. I told you what is the mid value? The average of lower boundary and upper boundary. Average means 10 plus 19 by 2. Nothing but 39 by 2. Nothing but 14.5. So answer where it is here. Direct you want? Yes. 9 off 4.5. Where is 4.5? This is answer. Okay. Next. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. On error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. Then the correct mean. So instead of 23, they are registered 32 and taken more extra. So the automatically the mean will be changed. Now find the correct mean. Means first what is given amount? This is a formula. Raw data no. This is a formula. X bar is given 16.3. How many observation? 10 observation. Then now how to do cross multiplication? So 16.3 nothing but 163.0. This is the registered mean. They are asking correct mean. Means how much is increased here? 23 to 39 they are put enter the marks 9 marks extra. 9 marks extra. So you can subtract 9 marks here. 154. 163 minus 9, 154. Real mean is asking. Means sum of observation by number of observations. Here observations are never changed. Same observations will come here. No change at all. So divided by 10 also. Here 1 0 will be there. The point will comes to one number. So the point will be comes to before one number. So answer is 15.4. Children, this question comes now the Gurukulas, all exam, this kind of questions. What is given? 10 observation. 16.3. 16.3 into 10, 163.0. How much is increased? Instead of 23, 32 they register. We have to subtract it. Sometimes 23 will comes to here, 32 will go there. Means how much less is? 9 is less. We should add. ఎక్కువ రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తే సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి, తక్కువ రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తే యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ చేశారు కాబట్టి సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. So 154. What are the observation? 10 only. So one 0 will be there. One number comes to back. 2 zeros there. 2 numbers point comes back. 1 0 will be there. 1 point comes back. Point comes back 1 number. 2 zeros will be there. The point comes back 2 numbers. That is the logic. So 15.4 is the answer. So this is also one technique. Okay, no problem. Here how much more? 9. So 16.3, from 16.3 you have to subtract 9, 0.9. So carry 13, 13 minus 9, 4. It becomes to 5. 15.4. Direct answer. Okay. Now it is more means subtract. It is less means you should add here. Then you will get answer. Logic and logic. It should be. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ రిజిస్టర్ చేశారు కాబట్టి తగ్గాలి. రియల్ మీ తగ్గాలి. ఎక్కువ చేశారు కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ మిస్టేక్ అంటే ఎక్కువ యాడ్ చేశారు కాబట్టి తగ్గాలి. తగ్గిందా? సమ్ టైమ్స్ తక్కువ రిజిస్టర్ చేశారు కాబట్టి పెరగాలి. అంటే రియల్ మీన్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ రావాలి. అంటే 16 కన్నా ఎక్కువ రావాలి. అప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలి. డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్, ట్రెడిషనల్ మెథడ్, యువర్ చాయిస్. నెక్స్ట్, ద మీన్ ఆఫ్ ద డాటా ఈజ్ 10. If each observation is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted from that, what is observation? Answer 19. How it is, sir? Simple. You see, one observation x. Yes, the mean is 10 number. Each observation is multiplied by 2 and divided by 1. Subtracted, multiplied with 2 and subtracted 1. Means 2 into x value 10. 10 minus 1. 2 10 are 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19. Direct answer, amma. 10 2 ja. Here multiply now. 10 into 2, 20. Here subtracted no? Minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19. How it is easy? This is a techniques I am going to express to you. Definitely you will get the seat by following these techniques. Okay, na beta? Next, last this 12th question. The model class of the following distribution. Like this box given, don't worry. Don't go with your lengthy process. Vaddu mitrava, shortcuts. So you see, what is mode? Most occurring term, most repeating term. In this, which is the biggest? 8 is. 8 only, it will come many times. So 8 is having that 8 frequency is having. What is the class? 3 to 5. What is the answer? 3 to 5. That is the answer. Finish. And also today I am going to send 3:30 one beautiful video for you. That video you have to see. Definitely you will see better. Okay. That video you have to see 3 to 5. Okay. Right. Now let us see one more interesting questions. On the board I have written the arithmetic mean of following data. Here like this box is given, amma. You don't worry about that. Just you logically can go. Class interval is given, frequency is given. We should go with the direct method. Direct method formula sigma fx by sigma fi. Means we should know the mid values, but don't make the box, the table. Idantha oddu. Direct answer. Mid value of 0 to 10, 5. This is 15. This is 25. 0 plus 5, 10 by 2, 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 20 plus 30 by 2, 25. Now, what is the formula? Sigma fx by sigma f. Ante kada? Fx, 5 5 ja, 25. 15 14 ja, 210. 25 6 ja, 150 by sigma f. 15 plus 14, 19 plus 6, 25. Sum of these 3. 360, 385 by 25. 385 by 25. Direct answer. 5 5 ja, 5 7 ja, 5 7 ja. Again 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5. 2 remainder, 27. 5 5 ja, 25. 4 remainder. 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. 2 remainder. 5 5 ja, 25. 2 remainder. 5 4 ja 20. So 15.4 is the answer. How it is easy, right? Next, sometimes they are asking here mode. Sometimes they are asking mode. They are asking preceding frequency, succeeding frequency. This is a mode, highest frequency. This is preceding, this is succeeding. Remember, Amma. This is preceding frequency is 5, succeeding frequency is 6. In mode, they are asking, you remember. Next, if mean is given like this, you can go. Don't make a box, lines, nothing at all. 5 5 is a 15 14 is a 25 6. Sum of these three divided by sum of these. Sigma Fi means sum of these frequencies, 25. Divide it, you will get 15.4. Next, mean is 44, median is 42, then mode. I told you empirical relationship between the mean, median, mode is equals 3m, easy to understand, 3m, 2 letters, 2 a dot in. Children, 3 into m is given. M is median, don't confuse it. Median 42. 2 into am, nothing but mean 44. Substitute. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 126. 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. Here 126 minus 88, nothing but here 12, here 38. What is the remainder? 38. Where is it? Okay. Got it? Next, which of the following is more consistent? Arithmetic mean, median, mode. Which is the more consistent volume we should get from arithmetic mean only? Arithmetic mean only. So answer is arithmetic mean. Next, mode of 5, x by 2, 6, 7, x by 2, 3, x by 2 is 9. Mode is equals to 9. From this data, mode is what? X by 2. X by 2 equals to 9. X equals to 2 into 9, nothing but 18. Okay, right. Arithmetic mean of 6, 8, 4, x, 3, 6, 0 is 4. Then value of x, simple sum of all observation. 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus x plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That mean is 4. That mean is 4. Simple amount. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 3, don't add x value, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 6, 27, 27 plus 0, 27 only. 27 separate by the variable and 7 into 4, 28. So 28, this 27 transfer to left side, right side becomes to minus 1. So children, 27 plus x equals 28. Now transfer 27 to right side becomes to minus 28 minus 27, nothing but 1. So x equals to 1. Got it? Next, if the find the mode when the median and mean is given, same relation, same formula. What is median? 125.6. 125.6 minus mean, which is given decimals, no problem. 2 into 128. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 5 are 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1. 3 2 is 6, 7, 3. 376.8 minus 128 2 is 256. 376.8 minus 256. We should get 120. You have to write like this: 256, 0, minus 8, 0, 2, 1, 120.8. This is the answer. Got it? Next, here what is the question? You see, formula based question. L is 40, F is capital F is equals 25, small f is 25, C is 20, N equals 70, then median. What is the formula for median? Simple. Here L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H or C. Here C is given, C is given, that is C. L lower boundary 40, substitute na 40. N by 2, capital N how much given here? 70. Small n also 70 by 2. CF 25. Small f again 25 into height C 20. Here 40. 70 plus 20, 70 by 25, 35. 35 minus 25, 10. 10 by 25 into 20. 40 plus 5 5 ja, 5 4 ja. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 into 4, 8. 40 plus. So 40 plus 8, 48. Answer will be 48. Okay, now next, come to the last question in this session. Now formula substitution ante, if you know the L plus n by 2 minus a by f into c, then you can substitute like that mode also. L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f1 into h. If you know the formula beta, you can do it. That's it. Mean of first n natural number. Very easy. What is the mean? Sum of what is the first n natural number formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Mean number of observation by n. N get cancel. N plus 1 by 2. That's it. This is the answer. Now, dear children, I explained best of my knowledge in 20 model questions, which is more asking in the exams. That questions I have selected here. I explains to you. I hope that you have to understand this one. Tomorrow you have an exam. You have to watch this. Enough watching and understanding means enough, manana. Then you can write the exam successfully. And till then, practice well. You wait for afternoon evening session video. That video can helpful for you. Examination tip as well as total focus, total revision points I am going to explain. Let us wait for that. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.